is up guys, this is Zhiyun from InnoRative, and today I'm doing a video on a setup of a gimbal which is Zhiyun Crane 1. So if you have a Zhiyun Crane 1 and if you want to set it up for the first time, this is the video for you. So if you have a mirrorless camera like I have a 6500 which I'll use in setting up this gimbal. So if you have DSLR, my suggestion is that you should get version 2 of this crane, but setup will be the same, just little bit tweaks and you will get the same result. So in this video I'll use my A6500 Sony mirrorless camera with its kit length which is 16 to 50 mm. It's a pretty lightweight mirrorless camera. So let's move on to that without wasting any more time. So this is the crane and we will set this up few moments later. Currently we have to join other parts, and this is the bottom bracket. It comes with the 2 rechargeable batteries. Before using crane, make sure to fully charge these batteries. You have to use 5-volt USB adapter as it doesn't come with this crane. And here are the screws which we will use to mount the camera. After fully charging the batteries, we will insert the batteries in our crane. Before putting the batteries inside the grip part of the crane, make sure positive side of each battery is facing up. And now properly screw it with the gimbal, but don't turn on the gimbal right now because we have to balance it first. So now it's time to balance this gimbal to its proper place. Currently it's unbalanced. We have to make sure that it is correctly balanced like this. This is how we want it to be. So first of all, we have to remove the screw part from the gimbal. It's because our camera is lightweight and we have to push it to the end. So this screw is a hurdle that we have to remove. This is the lever which will help us to move the slider freely, and after adjustment we will lock it in the place using the lever. These are the numbering. We will push the slider to the end, which is 0 because we have lightweight camera. We will use this screw to mount the camera of this slider here. Now let's place the camera on the slider using a screw. We will mount it on the gimbal properly. Now after mounting this, you can see that it's not balanced. If your camera is heavy or it has bigger lens, you can push it back a bit using a lever at the bottom so that your camera is facing straight horizontally. In our case, camera will be at the edge, and then lock the lever. Secondly, if your gimbal is in this position, simple thing that you can do is adjusting this part of the gimbal by sliding it further in and then screw it, and now you can see that it's leveled but still needs tweaking. Now it's properly leveled, and this third part of the gimbal will tilt your camera up and down. If it is all the way up, your camera will tilt downwards. So for the proper adjustment, make sure it's on its proper place so that your camera is facing straight and leveled. And now that the gimbal is properly balanced, it's time to power on the gimbal using this button at the bottom. Just press it for the second and it will turn on the gimbal. And there you go, it's ready for the action. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope this video helped you out in the initial setup of your Zhiyun Crane 1. And if this video helped you, click on like and don't forget to subscribe me.